In a high-tech lab, scientists were testing a new tsunami detection system. "It's foolproof!" exclaimed Dr. Wave, the lead scientist. The system used underwater sensors and satellite data to predict tsunamis. One day, the alarm blared and everyone panicked. "A tsunami is coming!" shouted Dr. Wave. But as they rushed to evacuate, they realized the alarm was triggered by a giant whale doing a backflip. "False alarm, folks," laughed Dr. Wave. "Looks like even whales want to make waves." The team decided to add a whale filter to their system. Like, comment, and subscribe for more stories like this.